Coconut oil is as good as mother's milk. Here's proof. Is coconut oil as good as mother's milk? Mother's milk is considered one of the most nutritious foods as it contains antibodies and other elements that protect your baby from illness and chronic disease. Mother's milk versus coconut oil. As per a video posted on Instagram featuring Padma Bhushan and Padma V. Bhushan, awarded Dr. Bill Monapa HD, coconut oil is as good as mother's milk. How coconut oil is as good as mother's milk? As per a video posted on Instagram, there are the only two things that contain sodium monolauric acid, which is the base of the human immune system. It is said that it gets digested directly and goes as ketones, and that is why in America coconut oil is used for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. It is also used as a treatment for heart disease. Other benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is extracted from dried coconuts, which is called copra. Here are a few more health benefits of coconut oil that one needs to know. Rich source of energy. It is said that lauric acid helps with rapid energy and keeps you active. Help boost memory. MCTs present in coconut oil fuel the brain cells efficiently, promote healthy heart. It is high in natural saturated fats which keep the heart healthy, improve oral health. It is said that practicing coconut oil pulling twice a day for 20 minutes can help protect the mouth from unwanted bacteria and periodontal diseases. Treat osteoporosis. The antioxidant compounds help maintain bone structure, prevent bone loss, and keep you active.